Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, tap on Bluetooth section and click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. Finally, you can wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear next to chosen device and tap on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one, tap on it again, select Pair, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!